Hi, everybody. Okay, so we're back. I guess I didn't need to say hi, everybody. I'm going to link these two videos together, but that's okay. So we're going to take a look at graphing that function that we just did by hand. We're going to do that with a spreadsheet, and it's pretty easy. Okay, so first things first, what function are we talking about? Our function of x is 2x minus 1. That's from the previous sheet that we were just working on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here where I've written f of x. I'm going to go below that, and to enter a function into your spreadsheet, like we talked about, the first thing you need to do is press enter. Now, our function is going to be 2 times x, but instead of x, we're going to take the value from this cell right here. Okay, this says 2 times a2. We haven't put anything in there yet. That's fine, doesn't matter. This knows that when you put a value in for this cell, that it will calculate. Right now the value is 0. Okay, so we have 2 times this cell, and then we're going to subtract 1. That's our function. So our value should be -1. It takes this as a 0. All right, the next step is we're going to start putting in some x's. Doesn't matter where you start. Let's go ahead and start at 0. And let's say we want to count up by 1. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to let the spreadsheet work its magic. We're going to select these two cells where we have our 0 and 1, grab our little blue selection box. I don't know what this thing's called. The bottom right corner blue box. Get our crosshairs, and drag this thing down a bit. Let's say to 15. Look at that. Our spreadsheet does the work for us, okay? So it puts in the x's. And what's even better is we don't need to bother with plugging these values in for this function. All we need to do is copy this pattern. If we take this function, take the little blue box, okay? So first of all, we're selecting this box. Do you see it has our function in it? Select the box, take our little blue box, and drag it down all the way down to cell 15 where we drag down our x's. And look at that. It does the work for us. It's going to take each value that you have in your A column, it's going to plug it in the function. So instead of this one here is going to take A3 and plug it into the function. This one's going to take A4 and plug it into the function, and so on and so on. It sees the pattern and does it for us. Okay, so that's one step out of the way. We basically did our table here, and we did it for, what is that? 14 numbers, and we did it in a snap. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to go to this little button, Insert Chart. And from here, we're going to select the type of chart that we like. Let's see, is there a good line? I like the scatter. Okay, so we go to the scatter. This will show you all the points, and you can see them here. So our point here would be 0, -1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5. Those points, all of those points will be on this chart, and we can go here to customization, and we can actually, if you wanted to, we could take the points off. Where is that? We could take the points off and just have a line by going here and selecting linear. And there's our line. There's our nice little line. You could take this and plug this into a Word document, a PowerPoint. This is a graphed function for you. Okay, just that easy. Now, on your homework, I'll tell you if I want you to use the spreadsheet or not. Okay, so if I don't say spreadsheet, I mean do it the old-fashioned way with the table. If I say spreadsheet, great, you get to practice this right here. Okay, that's it for spreadsheets.